today's economy, we are experiencing things that are totally out of our control. I want to ask you a question. Is the high cost of gasoline and food cutting into your budget and changing your lifestyle? You can control it by having a source that will allow you to receive additional money on a regular basis. We need to regain control of our lives, our freedom, and our financial well-being. I want to make you aware of an opportunity where you can actually create a long-term business for yourself and receive compensation for helping others do the same. You are among a very select group because only a few people have been presented the ability to have perpetual income like this before. You will join a well-established company with a new concept. This company has been in business since 1926. Do you realize that is 86 years of continued successful operation with over 9 million members already to date? Here's an example of how you may receive money. Introduce a person this week for $39.90 and receive $80 in commission next week, and then keep building residual commissions on a regular basis. This is an opportunity you do not dare prejudge. This is not gifting or networking. You have never been presented an opportunity like this before. Take several minutes and get back with the associate that invited you to this and discover how you can manage your own economy. Thanks so much for tuning in, and have a great day.
Ask you guys a simple question. Do you know anyone that has $39 to start a profitable business? We all do. So therefore, you come in for $39, and let's say you bring Sam in. Sam comes in. You sell him one of these memberships for $39. You're going to receive $80, guys. That's 200% of the commission that's paid to you up front. And if you understand the way that this commission structure works, the company pays from Sunday to Saturday midnight. In other words, all the sales that come in from Sunday to Saturday midnight, on Friday, the UPS truck pulls up to your door, the driver's knocking on your door and paying you a check for $80 for every person that you help get started for $39, guys. And, think about it. If you refer 10 people, you'd have a check for over $800. What if each of those 10 referred 10? Guys, that's another $600, $1,400. But let me tell you something. Don't take it from